guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to make ravioli. We're going to start with the pasta dough. We're going to have semolina flour and 2 cups of it. We're going to put in 4 large eggs and we're going to put the semolina flour in first, then the eggs. So let's get started. So we're going to take this in. Pour it in. Now we're going to crack the eggs. Last egg. Okay, now we're gonna put this on first. There we go. Now we're gonna mix it till it's a ball. Now that it's a ball, we're gonna take it out and knead it by hand. Dough hook off. We're gonna sprinkle just a little bit of flour on our workspace. Smooth it around. Now we're gonna knead it. Okay, now we're gonna knead it. You knead it like that, you push it down, and then you hold it. We're just gonna do that over and over again until it feels really soft. My arm's killing me. Okay, now we're gonna let it rest in the fridge and then we're gonna do the filling. So let's put it in the pan. Welcome back. We're gonna make the filling. Our ingredients are ricotta cheese, Parmesan cheese, spinach, 1 large beaten egg, pepper, a pinch of salt, and nutmeg. All we gotta do is mix them together. Now we're gonna mix it. Okay, now we're gonna cover it, let it rest in the fridge, then we're gonna get it out when we need it. Welcome back. Now we're gonna roll out our sheets. We're gonna take our dough and we're gonna make sure it's like a circle cut. Then we're gonna turn it on to number 4 and setting 1. Hi everyone. Rather than get drowned out by the loud mixer, I'll do my first voiceover. We're rolling the dough to get it to a thin sheet to make the ravioli. You run through the dough a bunch of times, folding it in half each time. It starts out rough, but after a few passes, it forms a nice sheet. It's okay if it gets a little rough during it. That's okay. It'll get really thin. See? Nice and thin. We keep repeating this until the sheets are nice and firm texture. It takes a lot of practice. We do this for all the sheets before we start to make them thinner. Now we're just gonna finish it off. So we're at 2 now. We gotta make sure it's that big. When we get to 3, we're gonna lay it down and cut it in half. Okay, let's get started. Once we start making the sheets thinner, they can get very long. See, look at how long they're getting than before. And we're just at level 2. Thanks for my dad for changing the gears for me. Now we're in level 3. Look at how big it is. This is why I cut them in half before going on to level 4. I do all the sheets to level 4, and that is as thin as we'll go. Do you see at the front of the tree how thick we started with? And then when I hang it up, you'll see how thin it is. Look at the difference. Now we're gonna make the ravioli. I'm gonna place a sheet down. Like that. Now I'm gonna gently push it down. I don't want it to rip. Now my assistant Ash is going to fill it up with the filling. Careful not to overfill them. That's good. Okay, now I push them down with a spoon, so I have to push a bit I'm going to lay another sheet down. Okay, now I'm going to push them down a bit. Now I'm going to take the rolling pin and I'm going to roll. Actually, hold it. Okay, I'm going to peel off this. Now we use the fork and we pick at it, and then it's good, you can grab it with.
Sure.
Looks so good. Now it's ready to cook. We're going to put a ravioli in boiling salted water. It'll take 3 or 4 minutes. Okay, so we're going to start with the big ones. We're going to check back later and see how it tastes. We're going to see what it tastes like. So we're going to take some cheese. Well, okay, we're gonna do that. That's what it looks like on the inside. Let's take a bite. Let's ravioli down. Oh, there we go. It tastes so good. Thanks for watching.